Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. Today, we're creating a monument grow animation effect in Canva in under 3 minutes. Start by selecting a high-resolution image of the monument. I'm using the golden statue at Batu Caves, Malaysia. Once the image is centered, use Magic Grab to separate the monument. If it doesn't work automatically, refine it manually, then hit Grab and wait a few seconds. Next, select the statue, go to Animate, and choose Baseline Sound. Adjust the speed and set the direction to on Enter for a smooth effect. To enhance it, add the monument's name. Head to Text, choose a font, adjust the size, and align it with your design. For animation, I'll use Clarify and sync it with the statue's movement. Once done, preview your animation, tweak if needed, and download it in high resolution. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let us know what Canva techniques you'd love to learn next. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.